In the first 4 lessons, we will learn correct positions of fingers and thumbs on the keyboard. We will work with these 8 keys. Watch what fingers are colored. Nice! Place your fingers on home row. Index fingers are on F and J. Type F with left index finger and try to feel small raised bump on the top of the key. Great! And now J with the right index finger. Let's practice these 2 keys. When we are learning together, wait until falling letter stops and press the key. Continue and do not forget to return fingers on the bumps of F and J keys. Perfect, I praise you. If you want, you can call me anytime back by double-clicking on the bottom and I will explain it again. First lesson is just over. Let's practice a bit. Press flying letters as soon as possible. When they fall, you lose 1 life. Press play.